Malayalam, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know Malayalam, of course.
Okay.
Otherwise, how can I call myself a Keralite if I don't know? So, have you been following Indian cricket team recently? Okay, let's talk about captaincy first of all. Okay.
Yes.
According to you, who do you think is the best fit as a captain? Is it Rohit Sharma? Is it Hardik Pandya? Or is it KL Rahul? My favorite player is actually Messi, but I have a lot of
Yes.
favorites. But yeah, after a long time, but more importantly, Messi won it. So
Mbappe, right? Oh my God,
he was
excellent performance.
phenomenal. I don't know how he pulled it off, but he was phenomenal.
What is the reason behind the growth is happening? So I would like to ask the question to you.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay, perfect. So, hi, good afternoon. I'll just give you a small introduction. Hello, my name is Sahil. As you know, I currently reside in Delhi, but I'm actually from Kerala, and I have done
Oh,
my.
that is really interesting. I am also from Kerala.
Oh, is it?
Yes, I'm in the
Okay.
south north part of Kerala. My district name is Kannur. And which part of Kerala?
Okay. My dad's place is in Shornur. It's near Thrissur.
Shornur.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I know that.
Yeah, and my mom's place is Patnamthitta, the southern.
Pathanamthitta. Yeah,
Yes.
southern part. Yes, that's
Yeah.
great. And it's
Yes.
really interesting. And yesterday also I had one session with the Ammo Alice. She also belongs to Kerala.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's okay.
yeah. Nowadays, more people are there in Clapingo. Have
Yeah,
you ever talked to people with Kerala like me as a
oh
learner?
yeah. Uh,
Yes.
I would say a handful of them, like quite a lot of them, honestly. There are a lot of people
Okay.
in Clapingo who are from Kerala.
Oh,
Yeah, I just like in the morning also I had a session with one of a person like with a learner who is from Kerala. So
oh,
so it's pretty common. But yeah, I was born brought up in Delhi completely. So and I have done my education from Kerala as well for like 2 years. I have done my education from Bangalore as well for like 4 years, and I've done.
yeah. Malayalam, right?
Yeah, I know Malayalam, of course.
Okay,
Otherwise,
okay.
how can I call myself a Keralite if I don't know? So,
That's
yeah.
right. Yeah, okay, okay.
So, can you give me a small introduction of yours? Like, can you tell me?
Yes, of course. Yeah, yeah. My name is Ibrahim. I'm from Kerala and not part of Kerala. Right now, I'm doing a business. I was in there UAE.
Oh, understood. And how did you come up with this idea of yours?
I had an idea to start a small business. During the pandemic, the company had some issue. Then I thought I can do the resignation letter. Then I quit from there. Then I started a new business after this COVID.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
how has it been going? Like, how has
Yeah,
been the
it's been good. Everything's fine now.
okay? Can you tell me a little bit about your interests and hobbies?
Yeah, most of the time I would like to watch movies and I would like to play cricket in my free time.
Oh, okay. So you
Yes.
follow sports? You follow cricket?
Yes, yes, cricket is my one of the favorite.
Okay, fair enough. So, have you been following Indian cricket team recently?
Actually, my favorite cricket player is MS Dhoni. Now, I like everyone, but my favorite person is MS Dhoni. Nowadays, Virat Kohli and Sigmund Gill and
Huh.
Rohit Sharma. Everyone is. I like everyone.
Okay, perfect. So, like this year, 50 over World Cup is going to happen in India, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, a lot of trial and error methods are being done by the team, the Indian team. For example, they have been experimenting with the captains, they have been experimenting with the players. Okay.
Yes.
So can we talk about the fact? Okay, let's talk about captaincy first of all. Okay.
Yes.
So according to you, who do you think is the best fit as a captain? Is it Rohit Sharma? Is it Hardik Pandya? Or is it KL Rahul?
Yeah, for me, Rohit Sharma still is okay because the game is it can be up and down. Last week we had a match with New Zealand, right? So
Uh-huh.
Rohit Sharma lead the captaincy, and we could win the section, right? So
Uh-huh.
I believe that after that Rohit Sharma is well, but the team management we have to coordinate with other things. Every time everyone we can know they cannot play well, so it can be up and down. If one player couldn't play, the next person need to take the responsibility for that. So that should be the game is the teamwork, not one the individual person. One person is leading, other person also want to play well. So how about you? Do you like cricket or you like more football or?
Well, I'm more into football, but when I talk about cricket, yes, I have knowledge about it, and I follow cricket in a sense I would see out for the results and everything because of my friends. But
Yeah.
yeah, Rohit Sharma is a good captain, fine, but I somewhere feel and somewhere like maybe Hardik Pandya can do better. I
Yes,
have
yes, yes.
I don't know because of his composure, because of he actually led the Gujarat Lions, a new team,
Yes, yes, yeah,
in
that's correct.
to victory. Yeah, and it's
Yes,
not an
yes.
easy thing to do. So because of that, I feel like even he's a good fit, and I don't know, but mainly
Yes,
into football. Like I'm
yes.
into football, so anything around football. If yes, you can. Are you into football?
Yeah. Yes, which is your favorite player in football?
My favorite player is actually Messi, but I
Messi.
have a lot of favorites. But yeah, Messi is
Yeah,
all time.
yeah. Everyone like Messi. Even I'm the big fan of Brazilian, but I like Messi also.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's correct.
were you following
Congratulations, your team won the last World Cup. Anyway,
yes, of course. We were rooting for
after
it.
after after a long time.
Yeah, yeah, after a long time, but
Mm,
more importantly, Messi won it. So I'm
yeah,
more than
that's it
I
was really
am
interesting.
comes
I,
to
yeah, I watched the final match. It was really, we took it that much tense and all the things. Even I'm the Brazilian. I had a lot of pressure and all the things. And I cannot imagine how the fans of Argentina people, how they had a situation, how faced the situation. I cannot imagine.
that's true. And that's
Yeah, but it
like
was really interesting game was because we are getting one, two, two like that. So and
yeah,
also it was a very good player,
Mbappe.
Mbappe, right? Oh my God,
He was
excellent performance.
phenomenal. I don't know how he pulled it off, but he was phenomenal. But
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
at the end of the day, we won, so we are happy with that.
yes,
But
yes,
it's
yes,
a very beautiful game. Like as a viewer, also it was really good. Right?
yes, 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 yes.
Tell me this, like you were in UAE as well, right? So for how
Yes,
many were you in UAE?
I was there almost 5 years.
Uh-huh. So as a safety, you were a safety personnel, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So as a safety person, like what are things that you had to ensure? Like
Yeah,
what are
I make sure before starting the job, every the work area is safe, and the people must be with all the personal protective equipment, and they're doing the proper work way. How they're not doing the shortcut, and
uh,
they're getting every basic needs, and we make sure before that, and we need to train them. You are going to do this work, and before that, this many hazard will be there, and this many risk will be there. You have to do the proper way, and what are the control measures we have to, and we will do a part of that. We will continue the job. If they sometimes they are following, sometimes they are so lazy, then we need to control them. This is all the job.
so which life do you prefer? Do you prefer UAE life or do you prefer Kerala life?
No, always I like my Kerala, and even the people are going abroad because of they are having some issue on financially and something else.
Huh?
If you are going abroad, we have more opportunity and we are some more financial freedom as well. So that
Uh-huh.
is the main reason people are going and they are willing to choose that. But if
Yeah, true.
and have you ever been to outside?
No, 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 no. I have never had a foreign trip yet. But
Okay, and before this Clapingo, what do you do now, apart of
uh,
Clapingo?
before Clapingo, I was working in a company. I
Yeah,
was working in the sales and marketing field. So I was the strategist in an edtech, particularly in an edtech
okay,
company. And then I quit my job. Like it has been almost 5 to 6 months since not 4 to 5 months since I quit my job because
okay.
uh, I wanted a career switch and I was just wanted to work on certain things. So
Yeah,
I
always
just
tutor asking to me, what is the reason behind to join this Clapingo? So I would like to ask the question to you. That's interesting.
My reason behind joining Clapingo is pretty simple. Yeah, like first of all, I get to talk to people, and that is
Yes,
something I like. I get to learn from them. That is an open perspective I always have. Apart from that, it's time pass. I mean, I need to have some job to have to take care of my bread and butter, right? So,
yes, yes, yes.
and this gives me the liberty and flexibility of doing things. So yeah,
Absolutely, yes. So yeah, that's the main thing. Yeah, we can talk the different people, different part of Kerala, not only Kerala, different part of India.
yeah. Not
So
only
that is the best way. While we are
we,
talking, we are getting some more idea as well.
uh-huh.
We are understanding there some. A lot of things we can learn.
And it's not only India, like, globally also a lot of people, like, I get to talk to a lot of people from outside India as well. So it's fun.
Yeah.
I'm also learning from them. I am
Yes,
also not
yes,
the perfect one wherein I know everything in and around English. I also learn every day new words, new things, and it's just a process. So I enjoy the process, right?
yes,
So only final few minutes of the session are left. Is it okay if I use this time to give you certain feedbacks?
yes.
Okay. So look, first of all, I have an habit of, like, writing down things on the right side of the screen while we are having a conversation. But in your case, I was so much into the conversation that I couldn't write a lot of things, or I couldn't figure out a lot of things. But your voice, right? You have a
Yes.
good voice, like you have a very affirmative voice. But so a lot of words are getting mumbled because secondly, like, I don't see much of any mistakes while you're speaking or grammatical mistakes. One thing that I felt, I want you to work around articles, so just try to be conscious around that. Yeah, try to
Okay, yes,
this. And apart from that, grammatically also things are quite appropriate, so it's better for you to be more confident while you're speaking. Okay, and
yes,
I want you to work a little bit around helping verbs as well, so that increases your vocabulary, and that would give you a lot more idea about words. Okay,
yes, yeah,
so, and I want you to watch a lot of stand-up comedies that are present in English. Okay, for example, by artists like Kenny Sebastian, Kanan Gill. Okay, you can watch their
okay,
content. I want you to surround yourself with the content. That's it.
yes,
Yeah,
okay,
English content. So things will be better for you, and you'll be able to polish your language more. Okay.
yes, yes, yeah.
Anything else that you would like to ask?
No, I don't have any question to you. I already asked.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
So I
okay.
think that's it from my end as well. Yeah, it was lovely talking to you. Take
Yeah,
care.
it was nice conversation. Thank you for giving advice and the feedback.
You're welcome. It was lovely talking to you.